Hey, Jacob here from ABC Window Supply. Today we're taking a look at a new harness we're carrying from Edelrid called the Flex Lite. So let's dive in. Now the info in this video is accurate at the date of filming, but for the most up-to-date information, always check out the manufacturer's website and the manufacturer's instructions. Also, this video is not a substitute for proper training. It's up to you to make sure you and your crew know how to use all of the equipment properly. Now the Flex Lite is a fall protection harness, so it's perfect for standing in a lift, on a rooftop, or for a high-rise window cleaner doing rope descent work when their weight is supported by a bosun chair. Now the Flex Lite has two different points for fall protection. It has a back D-ring as well as a front. The front D-ring is made up of these two green loops together. So when you're using the front, make sure to connect your carabiner or snap hook or whatever through both of them at the same time. If you're using the back D-ring and not using the front, the harness is still held closed by this buckle on the front. Now the buckles on the Flex Lite are super nice. They're really easy to operate and they've got a lot of protection in them to keep them from coming open accidentally. The harness also has lots of padding around the shoulders and down at the legs, so it's very, very comfortable for a fall protection harness. So that's a little bit about the Flex Lite harness from Edelrid. It's a really fantastic choice for a fall protection harness for high-rise window cleaning or for any other work you're doing at height. For more information or to purchase, check out our website. And as always, thanks for watching.